So all you need is your bonnet, this bonnet. Yeah, so you just need a plain satin silk bonnet, and then you're going to need the hat or the beanie that you're going to be using, and then you're also going to need a glue gun. So this is my glue gun. So what you're going to do now is you're going to take the bonnet, okay, and you're going to put it, the shiny part, this shiny part, you're going to flip it inside out, okay, and you're going to put that out. So you're going to take the bonnet right here, and you're going to just take that and get your glue gun and just start gluing. Okay, so I'm going to glue one spot here, okay, and then take the bonnet and put the bonnet on top like that, press it down, and then continue doing it all around. And do that.